Hi, good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel, Beautiful Village Life. So, how are you today? Are you fine? Yes, I think you are fine. And you can see here, there is the beautiful banana tree, and you can look here. There is the around me. Uh, there is the farming under the maintenance. It will be processed after 1 month. Uh, when we will grow in their soya seeds and cotton seeds also. After that, uh, crop will be definitely giving here. Now you can see here. Here is the some cattle. I will show you 1 second. Some cattle, some goats. This is our uh, doggy. Come, doggy. This is our doggy, and he is protect here. He is protect here our house. You can see here the in this beautiful village there is the no any house another way. You can see uh, you will fear here is the only farm, and no other uh, house is here or any street. Here is only one. This house is here, and another house is not here. So you can see, I will show you. This is our, yes, yeah. This is our goats, and some cattle is there. Uh, this is beautiful newborn cattle. You can see this is the beautiful newborn cattle. Oh, beautiful! How nice, na? So nice, na? So nice, na? Yes, and you can see there is the two cattle is there. There is the cow. This is the cow, and this time is morning time, so they are resting. Yes, yeah. Another is yeah. This is also cow, but it's small and little cow. Yeah, you can see there. Our childs are covering them, and this doggy. Here is doggy. Look at here. So it's very nice. So this is the life they are living in the farm in the village. So guys, if you want to new videos about the village life, you just subscribe and comments. Bye bye.